Hello friends, welcome to Market Analyzers. Let's begin today with Nifty analysis. Today our markets opened flat and they took support from yesterday's base of 19,550 level and gradually markets moved higher. Yesterday India's CPI data was updated. Market expectations was 7% but it came at 6.83%. There is no data which is threatening our domestic economy. IIP data came at 5.7%. It is also above expectations. So India's CPI is reducing and IIP data which indicates industrial production it is rising, but today's data which is USA inflation data is what markets are waiting for. Market expectations are 3.6%. Below 3.6% means markets will definitely take it as a positive and they will expect no rate hike in 19th to 20th US Federal Reserve meet. Let's see what will happen. FIS net long on index is at 63%. It is positive. FIS future data is also positive. Now let's talk about option chain range. Option chain range is 19,500 to 20,200. Now let's move on to stocks news. Normally, companies will issue bonds to raise funds. In August 2023, 55,140 crores worth have been raised by banks and companies combined. This is lowest in last 10 months. The main reason for bond issuances fall is high interest rates. If any company issues bonds means they should pay interest to the bondholders. Now at present, due to rise in interest rates, India's government bond yields are at 7.2%. So corporations are not willing to pay such high interest to bondholders. But experts are expecting bond issuances to rise in coming months due to reducing inflation, which may bring rate cut from RBI sooner than later. Friends, if you liked the data I have shared with you till now, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and if you know any of your friends who follow stock markets, please share the video with them and encourage us. If there are any feedbacks regarding the video, please provide in the comment section. RBI has issued a fresh updates to banks and NBFCs to release all the original property documents within 30 days after the full loan repayment. This will come into effect from December 1st, 2023 if banks and NBFCs fail to provide the documents to the customers even after 30 days of loan repayment. Banks and NBFCs should pay rupees 5,000 fine per day. Now let's talk about another update from RBI. RBI has removed ceiling on held to maturity category investments. Earlier, RBI had set a limit on the banks on held to maturity category investments to 19.5% on banks' net deposits. Held to maturity investment means mostly government bonds. Now, without the capping on investments, banks can increase their investments in 3 to 7 years maturity government bonds, which offer very good interest in the present high interest rate environment. So this was the reason for banking sector up more today, which outperformed Nifty. Now let's talk about Gati Express and Supply Chain Private Limited. It is a logistics company based in Hyderabad. They are expecting 1820% demand increase for logistics supply this festive season. They are expecting demand increase mainly across consumer durables, FMCG and home appliance segments, and they are prepared to cater this huge demand, updated the company's senior vice president. Today, our Indian Road and Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari has updated that there is no need to make 6 airbags compulsory and they are finding new crash tests, he said. With this update, Rane Madras shares fell 5% from intraday high and again the price recovered and closed significantly higher. But this is actually negative news for Rane because they mainly manufacture airbags. Now let's talk about KEC International. Share price touched 52-week high today. The company has won 2 orders to set up data centers in Western India and to set up manufacturing facility for FMCG company in South India. The orders worth is 1012 crore. After hitting 52-week high, the stock corrected by 7% and closed around 670. Now let's talk about iPhones. Yesterday, iPhone 15 new models has been launched and there is another positive update which is from China. China has updated that there is no regulation which prohibits purchase and use of foreign brand smartphones, which includes iPhones. This is positive for Apple.